Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 54. On this page, children, you are going to read and write the sentences. Look at this, children. This is a garlic. Listen again, children. This is a garlic. Listen one more time, children. This is a garlic. Now say with me, children. This is a garlic. Say again, children. This is a garlic. These are brinjals. Listen again, children. These are brinjals. Listen one more time, children. These are brinjals. Now say with me, children. These are brinjals. Say again, children. These are brinjals. Say one more time, children. These are brinjals. Children, now you have to write the sentence "These are brinjals" in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is a cabbage. Listen one more time, children. This is a cabbage. Listen again, children. This is a cabbage. Now say with me, children. This is a cabbage. Say again, children. This is a cabbage. Children, now you have to write the sentence "This is a cabbage" in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is a cauliflower. Listen again, children. This is a cauliflower. Listen one more time, children. This is a cauliflower. Now say with me, children. This is a cauliflower. Say again, children. This is a cauliflower. Children, now you have to write the sentence "This is a cauliflower" in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a sentence "This is a cauliflower." Look at this, children. These are lady fingers. Listen again, children. These are lady fingers. Listen one more time, children. These are lady fingers. Now say with me, children. These are lady fingers. Say again, children. These are lady fingers. Children, now you have to write the sentence "These are lady fingers" in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. These are cucumbers. Listen again, children. These are cucumbers. Listen one more time, children. These are cucumbers. Now say with me, children. These are cucumbers. Say again, children. These are cucumbers. Children, now you have to write the sentence "These are cucumbers" in between these 4 lines by yourself. Let's read all the sentences of this page. This is a garlic. These are brinjals. This is a cabbage. This is a cauliflower. These are lady fingers. These are cucumbers. Children, this was our page number 54, and you have to read and write all these sentences on this page.